Too Real Gang, what's good? You already know what it is. I'm back with another video, man. This your boy Jimmy Too Real. Man, I'm ready to start my day off right. I got my first 2 pickups. It's the day after Christmas. I hope everybody had a great Christmas, man. I hope y'all had a great Christmas. New Year's is around the corner. I hope y'all getting prepared for New Year's, because you know how it go, man. A new year, new money. So let's go ahead and complete this year out. We got a few more days to capitalize on the end of the year and come inside the new year strong, man. So let's do this, man. I'm glad y'all tuned in. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all stay tuned. Let's go get these first 2 pickups, man. Y'all can see I got my first one loaded. It's a 2017 Dodge Caravan. I got 2 points. I'm about to go and do the other time, making 4 points. Let me show y'all. Is go halfway on the rim. Back side of the tire. That's how that look halfway. Let's go to the next. So for those of y'all who've been watching my towing videos, y'all know about, you know, the 4 points. You gotta have 4 points towing at least. You know what I'm saying? Use the dog ears. They go halfway on the rim. Oh, my camera hit the glass, but they go halfway on the rim. And then strap it down. But the main thing is making sure everything's secure, man. That's the main thing. At least 4 points of strap down. And then you could do 8, you could do 6. It's up to you. But the chains, the J-hooks in the back, they do not count as points. So don't get messed up by FHP, Florida Highway Patrol, you know, by not doing that. All right, y'all, let's get to the next. All right, Too Real Gang, I'm here picking up my second load. And the other day, my father-in-law put a pump on here, a master cylinder, brake master cylinder, and it's leaking real bad, so I gotta get that checked out ASAP, man. Yeah, probably gotta tighten up on some stuff, figure that out. But in the meantime, I'm gonna keep working until he hit me back and tell me he could come and help me out, and we could fix it. Hey y'all, man, I pulled up to my second pickup and the car is dead, so I'm charging my jump box. As y'all know, if y'all been watching, I got a JNC 660, and it's one of the top jump boxes in the game. I can't get it cropped, so for to let it charge up a little bit and crank it, because I can't pull my truck in the back of the building. They told me tow trucks probably can't fit, so I'm outside the gate, as y'all can see. And it's way in the back by that F250, F150. So we're gonna give it a second, let it charge, and then grab it. Check out my new box. I just got the cover made on it. But anyway, got this thing charged. About to bring it up on the wheel up. Sorry, I was holding the camera down, but yeah. Got this thing up. I'm about to strap it down and roll. When you pull up to the gate, you gotta sound your horn, man. My horn sound like shit. Them people ain't even responding, man. I done pulled up, y'all, for the drop off my first 2 loads. Y'all see it in the back, that Ford Fusion. And then I got this 2017 Dodge Caravan. Oh, they finna open the fence now. Pulling up to the yard. Let's get this money on. Alright, Too Real Gang. I dropped off the first 2. I'm waiting on the next 2 loads. Here go the Caravan and the other vehicle, Ford Focus. But until they give me the next 2 loads, I'm about to go meet my father-in-law at the outside storage so he could look at this leak and we could take care of that. In the meantime, between time, y'all stay tuned in, man. Let's go take care of this leak and get back to some money on. Here go the loads right here. Ain't nothing on there for me. Let me see. A sign. Nothing. Nothing assigned yet. Let's go get this leak looked at. Alright, we back at the yard. He about to look at it. Check out this power steering. Oh yeah, the end of it, yeah.
Stand back. Let's go ahead.
Alright, y'all. Y'all see we got it done. My father-in-law, he leaving. He done put the hose on and the hose leaking. Right here, we got a new hose cut on Edgewood and Beaver Street. And we back rocking and rolling. Y'all see the fluid in there. Gotta check it while it's running. And it's at its right point. But all in all, Copart, they ain't send me no more loads. And I'm gonna go get the hydraulics looked at and keep on pushing on with the day. Make sure everything is right on the truck, so you know, as the days go on, I can spice it up a little bit. I ain't got to worry about my hydraulics running slow, my little leaks on my ram and all that old stuff. I might have to replace the seals. Let me show y'all. See, it's leaking up under there. And the ram is right here. I see the ram look wet, so I'm gonna get it all looked at. Hopefully we get everything working real good and I can pass the truck along to a good worker and buy me a new truck. So in the meantime, between time, appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all on the next run. I'm out. Yo.